Balls. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make this toy. It's so beautiful, I can't wait to open it. And look these colors. We want to match them on the right color. Look, wow, pink, blue, gray, red, white, and peach. Yoo-hoo! Open it! Pretty cat. Look! Blue and pink and two ears is pink. Paint it with the foam stickers. Wow, look! And start with the color pink. We have the white color. You have to pull the white color and look where I'm gonna put it. Oh, here. Come on, little pink. Pink, 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 pink. Look, it's a chin. Two circles to the chin. I like the color pink. It's my favorite, and the blue and the purple. Look. Now the pink, 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 pink and pretty. All of pink. The balls. Look, it's the prettiest thing. Now we have the third one. Now we have the one circle. Now the two. Pink, pink, pink. I like the color. The color pink, I like it because when I see the color pink, it let me be happy. The color pink is my favorite color. And the pink color is so pretty, like the roses. And like my name, Jury. And the rose is me and Jury. Princess Jury. I'm not a real princess. Just my name of my channels. And the start of the Princess Jury is all of it pink, like the color I'm playing with. Do you know? I want to tell you something. Where is the eyes? Good. Good job. Where is the mouth? Good. What do you say? Good job. You little kids. You are my best friends. Do you like the picture? Face down. Do you like or no? Now I want to put the white, like the milk, like the heart is white, and like the cloud, like anything you see it white. I cannot black. With the white. It's gonna be beautiful. With the blue. I cannot paint. I blew you, Mama. Oh, so I blew. Damn. Ah! Mama, that's stop it. Stop it. I am done. Look, this is the view of my cocker cat. There, no. Like and share and subscribe. But goodbye.